Gemini, as requested, this is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of August. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta ang mga atras, abante sa buhay? Okay. Gemini, anong nangyayari? Love, life, personal growth, mga taong nasa paligid? Let's see. Gemini, you're trying to find the wisdom about yung anything stable para sa'yo. Yan. That is realization. Saktong-sakto sa ating Lionsgate na parang may mga bagay na kailangan mo nang iwanan and like opening a new door, a new chapter for you, parang better version ng self mo. Okay? This is a Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of August. Okay? Collective energy ng ating mga Gemini, pasok sa barara. Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective energy for the month of August. Let's see. Gemini collective energy, please. Gemini collective energy, please. Alrighty, okay? Ang nag-iisang account natin ay Kai Angeles 11. Yung unang account natin na Kai Angeles na log out, hindi ko ma-open, na-hack na siya. Ito lang po, nag-iisang account natin, Kai Angeles 11. Alrighty? Ingat sa mga scammers, Gemini. You're trying to detach? Okay. There's a feminine in this connection na ipinaglaban niya. Okay, mandirigmang feminine, ipinaglaban niya todo-todo ang connection na to. But right now, sabi niya kahit mahalaga pa sa kanya ang connection na to, ang person niya, parang mas makakabuti para sa feminine, sa realization ng feminine, na mag-detach emotionally, umatras, or like pwedeng physically walking away from this connection already. Napapagod na ang feminine. Okay? I feel nasa tamang edad na naman kayo para, to make this connection work out, but I feel it's more on the side of the masculine na hindi siya ready for a commitment or anything really stable and long term. Because of that, sabi ng mga Gemini here, napapagod na sa overthinking, napapagod na, ano ba talaga to, napapagod na sa guessing game. Saan ba papunta ang relasyon na to? Papunta ba to something productive, to something beautiful, or maghihiwalay din kayo sooner or later? Nagkaroon ng kasunduan in the past, it feels like malinaw na malinaw, Hinebra ang hari. But, ang nangyari is parang kung ano yung napag-usapan, nakakalito because akala mo okay na okay, may kasunduan. Akala mo nag-agree na hindi na uulitin at gagawin to, tutuparin na to, aayusin na to. But someone feels so defeated because kung ano yung mga napag-usapan ay hindi natupad. At kung ano yung akala mong pagkakakilala mo sa person mo at akala mo rin totoo na siya, akala mo rin ready na siya, someone feels they failed, no? Na parang ang daming naging maling decision, maling paniniwala about this connection. I feel, sabi ng feminine, kailangan niya munang mag-focus sa kabuhayan. Sobra-sobrang nasaktan, no? Yung self-worth ng feminine here. Sabi niya, kailangan muna niyang i-rebuild ang kanyang sarili. There's a very strong soul connection here, but napakaraming baggages, resentment, na hindi nyo naman talaga naayos, okay? This is also the Gemini energy. Marami na lang kayong iniisip na parang sayang, no, kung tatapusin talaga tong connection na to because marami namang na-spent na happy times together, okay? To heal your broken heart, to balance your heart chakra, to have harmony sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, especially with this love connection, Madagascar, rose quartz, the pink crystal. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized para enlightened guide. May blessing ang ating mga crystal. Okay. Sabi ng masculine sa connection na to, may mga bagay na hindi niya kayang direktang sabihin sa feminine because sa perception ng masculine, he's just trying to protect the feelings of the feminine. But minsan, no, mas okay na marinig na natin yung ugly truth kesa naman we're always nandun sa guessing game of ano ba talaga yung gusto niya, ano ba talaga yung mean niya, ano ba talaga yung what the masculine is really ready for. Okay? Hindi pareho ng readiness about sa love and commitment and hindi ito madirekta ng masculine because gusto niyang i-keep yung feminine but then yung level of readiness ng feminine ay hindi kapareho sa masculine. The masculine is just trying to avoid conflict right now but gusto niya namang i-keep ang feminine the masculine is still buying his time na baka naman next week ready na siya. So the masculine is making the feminine wait for his potential. Okay? May nakikita din ako, Gemini, dito na like trust issues. Is the masculine entertaining other energies, other potential connection, or parang masyado bang friendly? Okay? Na may nalalagpasan na at may na-hurt na sa love connection na to. Too friendly, too flirty. Okay? You might be dealing with a co-Gemini, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Taurus. Alright, let's see. Okay? Manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, the yellow, and happy crystal. Meron din tayong combination ng love and money, PM, for your crystals. Okay? Ito ang ating Brazilian citrine. Okay? Abundance and happiness. The reason for the reading is sinubukan at pinilit namang magstay together. Though ang daming heartbreak and pain sa connection na to, paulit-ulit na disappointing situation. Recent past, nagkakaroon ng mga like nostalgic energy ang ating mga Gemini. Ano ba talaga yung gusto niya? Ready na ba talaga siya sa commitment? Merong isang tao na naiisip ang ating mga Gemini na parang iniisip niyang ito ang gusto niyang long-term partner. Okay? The feminine here wants to fight for this connection, ideally and hopefully. But feminine, you're the queen. Hindi ikaw ang nagpupurso dapat ng relationship. The masculine should be ready for what you're ready for. Hindi pwedeng love lang. The one that the queen chooses is someone who loves her and ready for her. Kasi pag pinili mo ay someone na mahal ka lang, the person who's not ready for you, even mahal ka niyan, masasaktan ka niyan. Choosing someone should be someone who loves you and someone who's ready for your love. Alright? Dalawa dapat. So may prayers and manifestations dito, sabi ng feminine sa connection dito, kakalimutan na ba niya, tatanggalin na ba niya, unti-unti na ba niyang tatanggalin yung love niya for the masculine, kasi napapagod na rin ang feminine na magmahal, umunawa sa masculine. Sabi ng mga Gemini, meron siyang gustong kausapin, baka bigyan ng closure, or kailangan mag-apologize, whatever. Okay. So, the person ng ating mga Gemini, ready naman siya to accept, no, ang mga pag-uusap na kailangang mangyari. Pareho kayong open for communication and apology. Ingat lang kasi minsan kahit ready tayo to communicate, kapag may isang tao na nagkamali ng choice of words or tono, maaaring masira ang pag-uusap na to. Just be clear with the intention na mag-uusap kayo para ayusin to. Para kung may sumablay mang isa sa inyo sa tono at choice of words, alam nyo kung saan ang direksyon na magkaayos kayo. Okay? Okay, whether na ayusin nyo tong connection na to or to say goodbye, ang mahalaga hindi kayo magkagalit. I feel yun yung number one intention na kailangang iset sa pag-uusap na to. May fear and doubt ang ating mga Gemini kung tama pa bang magkaroon ng communication. The answer is yes, eventually you should have this communication. Until the end of this year, may mga overthinking pa rin na mangyayari. But I feel the Geminis would try to heal ang sarili nyo, emotional wounds, would try to prioritize yourself, glow up, no, goals, realization, and wisdom. Okay? Mental clarity, we have the amethyst. Mental clarity and stronger intuition. Okay. Until the end of the year, may overthinking, bala-balanse lang. Okay? Para mabalanse din ng emosyon, we have here the Madagascar Black Tourmaline, grounding and balance of emotions and anti-negative energy. Okay? Para ma-shoo away lang, may shield ka lang. I feel you would try to avoid conflict. Someone is takot mag-initiate ng conversation kasi baka magkaroon lang ng, disagreements na naman. I feel the feminine here is hindi naman siya nag-expect that the masculine is ready for commitment. Parang na-manage na niya ang expectations sa readiness ng masculine. Okay? If feminine, if para sa'yo, okay lang to wait for the masculine's potential, then be it. But right now, feminine, if you're so ready for a commitment, hindi mo naman deserve na maghintay ng potential ng isang tao na, nagre-ready pa. You deserve someone who's ready. Alrighty? Free will. And that will be the Gemini reading for the month of August. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading.